Hello, dearies. Welcome to another interesting lesson with Mr. Olia. How has been your day? In the previous lesson, you learned about paper chromatography. In this lesson, you will be learning a new topic titled Elements. Elements, and we're going to be looking at matter, proton, nucleus, neutron, and electron, even the structure of an atom. Next, matter is anything that has mass and occupy space. Matter is anything that has mass and occupy space, e.g. table, chair, car, even humans are examples of matter. Next, the smallest unit of matter is called an atom. I'll come again. The smallest unit of matter is called an atom. Next you'll be learning about is a proton is a positively charged particles. A proton is a positively charged particles. Next, a neutron is a particle that has no electric charge. Simply means that neutron is neither positive or negative, it is neutral. Next, electrons are negatively charged particles. Electrons are negatively charged particles. And electrons are located outside the nucleus. They are located outside the nucleus. Next fact about electrons. Electron travels around the nucleus at a fixed distance called energy levels or shell. So electron travels around the nucleus in an atomic structure called energy levels or shells. Next, the attraction between the positively charged protons and the negatively charged electrons is what holds atoms together. This simply means the positively charged protons and the negatively charged electrons are the particles holding atoms together. Next, an atom is identified by the number of protons in its nucleus. An atom is identified by the number of protons in its nucleus. The number of protons in the nucleus of an atom determines its atomic number. So the number of protons determines an atomic number of an element. Next, what is an element? An element is a substance that cannot be broken down without changing the identity of the substance. I'll come again. An element is a substance that cannot be broken down without changing the identity of the substance. Next, this is an example of an atomic structure. The green bars represent protons, which is negative. The yellow bars or circles represent neutrons, which is neutral, no charges, while the red circles represent electrons, which is negatively charged particles. Now, super kids, let's see a practical question. Dash are particles that are negatively charged. Which particles are negatively charged? Let me see my smart key. The answer is electrons. Yes, you got it right. Electrons are negatively charged particles. Wow, super kids. It has been a lovely lesson and interesting. I hope and I know you've learned a lot. Know the various particles and their different charges in an atomic structure in an element. Can't wait to see you guys in the next lesson. Bye bye.